Here's a look at downtown Savannah today. Folks got a chance to enjoy a nice warm day across the area. Temperatures actually getting up to around 70 degrees. But more cold air and even some winter weather is on the way here in parts of the southeast. Let's check out what's happening right now across the area. Temperature wise, we are nice and mild here, well up in the 60s for the coastal empire and low country. But it's much cooler up in Athens and Atlanta, where temperatures down in the 40s. Some cooler air is going to filter into our area later tonight and tomorrow. In fact, look at the temperatures tonight around 3 a.m. They'll be in the upper 40s to around 50. And as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll actually have some falling temperatures. Looks like it'll be colder at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and at 3 this morning, with temperatures in the low to mid 40s in many locations. Let's check out what's going to happen then. We've got some clearing still in the southern parts of our area. Clouds moving in along and north of I-16. More clouds will be with us as we head through later tonight. As you see, there's plenty more clouds out to the west, and there's also plenty of rain out to the west too. That's going to be moving east. Now at the same time, colder air is going to be coming down from the north through the Carolinas. So watch what happens as we go through tonight. Our clouds are going to be on the increase through daybreak. And then tomorrow during the day, we have a good chance to see some rain pushing across the area through about midday, especially along and north of I-16. It's possible that places like Darien may not see any rain for a while tomorrow. Now you get north of Augusta, you get into a mix of sleet and snow. Now that will all be north of us, but late tomorrow night, the temperature may dip to around or just below freezing in the northern parts of our area where you see the pink here, such as Screven and Hampton counties. So the rain may fall, and if it falls for a long enough time, that temperature there could see some icing on elevated surfaces like trees. I expect the icing would be light. It'll be more significant off to the north. And then we actually may see the temperature rise just a bit during the day on Wednesday to make it all rain once again across the area. Again, I expect most of us just to see a cold rain. And then on Thursday, most of the moisture is heading out. We'll have some lingering clouds, and then we'll have improvement as we head towards the weekend. Let's summarize here. Northern counties, Screven County, Hampton County, I expect there could be some light icing, like some glaze on trees. I do not expect significant accumulation of ice. I think that will be further north. The further north you go in South Carolina, the further northwest you go in Georgia, the better chance you have to run into significant ice accumulation and problems on roadways and things like that. So let's check out your forecast for us tomorrow. 48 and cloudy when we start off. The temperature is likely to fall some in the afternoon, staying in the 40s with that chance of rain. High tide will occur tomorrow morning at 6:13. We've got a small craft advisory in effect out on the water. Winds will be picking up out of the north-northeast for the next couple of days. We've got tree pollen and mold are both up into the moderate range. And now we'll look at your storm tracker 7-day forecast. Nasty a couple of days here coming up. Coldest day is Wednesday. Our highest closer to the coast will be in the low 40s. But then we're going to clear things out for Valentine's Day and the weekend, and temperatures should get up into the 60s. We'll have more coming up after this.